I believe remote work should remain a permanent option for employees, especially after we have seen how effective it can be during the last few years. It provides a level of flexibility that allows people to manage their personal and professional lives more efficiently. For example, parents can better handle childcare responsibilities without sacrificing productivity, and people can plan their work schedules around important personal commitments. Additionally, by working from home, employees save a significant amount of time that would otherwise be spent commuting, sometimes as much as 2 or 3 hours a day in large cities. This not only reduces daily stress levels but also helps in lowering traffic congestion and cutting down on carbon emissions.
While I completely agree that flexibility is valuable, I think there are some real downsides to working fully from home. For instance, without regular in-person interaction, people can start to feel disconnected from their colleagues, which may affect team morale over time. There is also the challenge of building and maintaining a strong organizational culture when employees are rarely in the same physical space. Another issue is with training and mentoring new staff members. In a virtual environment, it can be much harder to give hands-on guidance or quickly answer questions. Some people also struggle to set boundaries between their work and personal life when both happen in the same space. Because of these challenges, I believe a hybrid model, where employees split their time between home and the office, could be the most effective way forward. It combines the flexibility of remote work with the social and collaborative benefits of being on-site.
From a business standpoint, there are definitely financial advantages to remote work. Companies can reduce or even eliminate the costs associated with maintaining large office spaces, such as rent, electricity, heating, and cleaning services. This can free up resources to invest in other areas, like employee development or technology upgrades. However, remote work also comes with certain requirements and risks. Organizations need to ensure they have strong digital infrastructure to support smooth communication and collaboration, regardless of location. That means reliable video conferencing platforms, secure file sharing systems, and proper project management tools. Cybersecurity is another crucial factor, with employees accessing company data from various locations. The risk of data breaches or unauthorized access can increase. To make remote work truly successful, companies must adopt robust security measures, such as multi-factor authentication, VPNs, and regular employee training on safe online practices.
The discussion focused on whether remote work should become a permanent option. The first speaker emphasized its flexibility and positive impact on work-life balance, noting that it saves commuting time and reduces traffic and emissions. The second speaker raised concerns about isolation, weaker teamwork, and challenges in training new staff, suggesting a hybrid approach as a better solution. The third speaker discussed the business advantages, such as lower office costs, while stressing the need for strong digital infrastructure and cybersecurity. Overall, the conversation presented both benefits and challenges, with a middle ground suggested. I've noticed a lot of untouched food being thrown away in our campus cafeteria. I think one of the simplest solutions would be to run awareness campaigns. We could put up posters and send emails reminding students to only take what they can finish. If people understand the impact of food waste on the environment, they might be more careful.
That's a good point, but I think the problem is also about portion sizes. The meals served are often bigger than what some students want. If we offer smaller portions at a cheaper price, people might choose what suits them best. And for leftover meals, we could sell them at a discount before closing hours. That way, less food ends up in the bin.
Both of your ideas sound practical, but we should also think about what happens to the leftover food that is still edible. There are local charities and shelters that would gladly take it. We just need a proper system for collecting, storing, and delivering the food safely. It would not only reduce waste, but also help people in need.
The discussion focused on ways to reduce food waste on campus. The first speaker suggested organizing awareness campaigns and placing posters in cafeterias to encourage students to take only what they can eat. The second speaker proposed introducing smaller portion sizes and offering discounted prices for leftover meals to make them more appealing. The third speaker emphasized improving donation systems so that excess food can be sent to local charities. In conclusion, the group agreed that a combination of awareness programs, portion control, and food donation would be the most effective approach.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Upskill Yours PTE for more videos.